दक्षिणामूर्ति गुरुस्तोत्रम।
ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना।
नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे।
Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda.
ॐ संगच्छत्वं संवदत्वं संभो मनांसि जानतां देवाभागै यथा पूर्वे सञ्जानाना उपासते समानो मन्त्रः समितिः समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानी आहुतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति।
पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं शरद ऋतुः मार्गशिरो मासः शुक्लपक्षः नवमी तिथिः पूर्वाभाद्रा नक्षत्रं वज्रयोगः कौलवकरणं स्थिरवासरः। Today's date 29th November 2025 Saturday.
तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राद्धरते पापं योगात् रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्। सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु।
Okay, let us do the Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha. So, twice repeat. Ananta Vijayam Raja. One quarter, twice repeat. Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha Nakulas Sahadevascha Sukhoshamani Pushpakau Nakulas Sahadevascha Sukhoshamani Pushpakau Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthiraha. I'll complete the whole sloka, you can repeat twice. अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सह देवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ.
You will see the word split. Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putraha Yudhishthiraha Nakulaha Sahadevaha Cha Sughosha Mani Pushpakau. So we are continuing from the previous verse. In the previous verse, Dadhmau was given. That is the Kriya Padam. That is the verb. Blew the conch shells. So the Pandavas are blowing the conch shells. The Pandavas side. So first Krishna, then Arjuna, then Bhima. Now Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira is having a conch named Ananta Vijayam. That is the conch. So he blows the conch Ananta Vijayam. Then the other two brothers are left, Nakulaha and Sahadeva. So they blow their conch shells called Saghosha Mani and Pushpaka. So there are two Sughosha and Mani Pushpaka. Two conches are there and both of them are blown by the two brothers. So a little bit more, yesterday they would have explained. So one is, we see the name also. So you have different names. So in this particular session, so we can look at different names. So I had seen the name Hrishikesha. So Hrishika Nam Isha. So Hrishikesha, the one who is. Krishna is called Hrishikesha because he is the one who is Lord of all Indriya. What do I mean by Lord of all Indriya? All of you have capacities to see, to hear, capacity to feel. These are basically the Indriyas. Indriyas are capacities, they are subtle. Lord means the one who is in charge of giving you the capacity. See, lot of them have eyes, but they cannot see. Physical eyes is there, that organ is there, but they cannot see. So therefore he is called Hrishikesha. So likewise, you have different names for conches also, and there is a story behind them. So each story you can go through. So today I have only this much. Thank you.
ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರ.